welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. Ooh, is it just me or has it gotten hot? I am sweating. Haven't been able to go to the beach because I am staying away from, the outside world. But that's okay. I'll make my own summer back here in my house somehow. Put on sunblock, lay in the sun. We'll think of something. Look at this. I got my shades on. I got my hat. We're Gucci. Alright. Let's continue on with the show. So, the votes are in. Thank you to everybody who participated. I will be posting 2 products every Saturday in my Instagram story. And you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. So, let's talk about the products. The first product I have here is the Sexy Hair Beach End Spray. It is a 4.2 ounce container and the texture level is number 5, which is nice that it tells you back here. Bottle says lived in touchable texture. I even love how it gives you a little hashtag down here, texture sexy hair, to show off your beachy waves on Instagram. What's great about this little guy is that it is a non-aerosol bottle, and it's great for those that are looking for something with sea salt in it. This does contain it. It maintains your natural shine, and it does have humidity resistance, makes your hair soft, and it is buildable. So every time you spray, it should add volume to your hair. So all of this should be maintained up to 24 hours. It can be used either on wet hair, dry hair. I do believe that it's mostly for all hair types because I haven't seen anything on any websites that says only for coarse hair or thin hair or whatever. So when I was looking around,
nothing.
Again, like the air dry products, when it's wet, you want to either do twists, or if you just have natural curls, then spray it all over the hair and scrunch it up, or you could use a diffuser after that, and it'll do wonders. If you want to use this on dry hair, it is meant to refresh the curls that you had air dried or diffused. It is meant to refresh that. But if you're somebody like me who just has waviness and it's already kind of fading out, as you can see, you would want to probably add curls before you spray. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we're going to spray it. Okay, so I got my hair curler here, and we're going to make some curls in our hair, and then after that, that's when you want to use the spray. You don't want uniformed curls, prom looking curls. You want them looking like beach curls. So after I set this, we're going to spray it, and you should have beach tousled textured curls. So definitely going to make this try to look a little bit more beachy once we spray it. So I got my curls, and I did go ahead and use some dry shampoo to
freshen up my hair.
And it has this like little triangle flip right here that you flip it, it locks and it unlocks. Even like spray in your hand, rub it together. That would probably be pretty good too. I would say go ahead and use your fingers and like kind of, shake it out. Maybe put your head upside down.
I don't know. Very nice.
The next one is Joico Beach Shake Texturizing Finisher. This one is a 6.92 ounce. It is infused with coconut and sunflower seed oils. This one definitely does say that it will create tousled waves for only medium to thick hair. It should work for me because I have coarse hair. So it's definitely only for medium to thick hair, but there are other ones. It is called Joico's Body Shake, which is for fine to medium hair. It's supposed to add volume to your fine hair. So that's why they call it Body Shake instead of Beach Shake. But all in all, it's definitely supposed to give you the same texture of a beachy wave. This product is hydrating yet dry. I believe By dry, they mean non-sticky, like it's not going to look oily because it's hydrating. It's going to give you a satin but salty finished look, and it has no salt. So even though it's going to look beachy and salty, it actually has no salt, which is good because Joico is trying to present themselves as a healthy hair company. So with Joico, they just said go ahead with your
naturalness.
They said go ahead with your naturalness, basically your natural waves. These are somewhat my natural waves, but I did use like a 3-barreled curler to give the wave a little bit more oomph, but of course it's gone down.
Yeah.
And then I did prep this with dry shampoo as well, and Joico does want you to use horizontal sectioning, so just go ahead. I'm just going to use my finger and part it that way, voila, like that. And we're going to see, you don't have to just use your natural hair. If you want, you can go ahead and use a hair curler as well to try to give it some shape, texture. Also, it's probably a good idea if you want to add a little bit more volume so it could just lift it up from the roots a bit. We'll go ahead and shake this. Okay. And then we're just going to lightly spray on it.
Smells nice.
And then again, I'm going to just scrunch it up. Also, if you do want, spray on your hand as well. There we go. Gave a little bit more definition in the waves. Very nice.
Very nice.
I do want to mention with both of them that if you want to purchase them, it's not through their website, because when you go on their website, they just post links to either Ulta Beauty or Amazon. So you might as well just go ahead and go to the Ulta Beauty app, or if you have Amazon shopping, go ahead and just do that. Now for the results. Sexy hair, 100%. Everybody voted for them. There's a lot of votes. Congratulations. They did pretty good. Alright, they're the winners. Congratulations, Sexy Hair. 100%. Not one vote for Joico. My apologies, Joico. You did good though. You did good. Looks nice. So remember to comment below. Tell me which ones you guys tried. Tell me why you like it, why you use it, why you voted for it, if you're one of the voters. And I will feature you in my next week's video. So yes, comment below. And you will get featured. Well, that's all. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye. Bye.